In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Logic Pro X 2026 Full Guide. Producing a hit track or mixing a complex project can feel like a second job. Hours get lost tweaking synth parameters, reworking lyrics, or wrestling with JavaScript in the MIDI scripter. The good news is that Logic Pro now includes powerful machine learning features like AI session players and stem splitter, and when you pair those with ChatGPT's language and coding strengths, you can move from idea to finished track dramatically faster. We'll use ChatGPT for instant lyric rewrites, custom MIDI scripting, smart chord planning, and a reliable pre-flight mix checklist, all while staying focused inside your DAW. Start by setting up your creative writing flow. Open your project, head to the top right of the control bar, and open the notepad. Paste your rough lyrics so everything lives in the session. Highlight the text, right-click, and choose Writing Tools. From here, you can adjust tone or ask ChatGPT to rewrite lines in a specific style without ever leaving Logic. Keep your original draft in the notepad too, so you can compare, keep what you love, and iterate quickly. Next, level up your MIDI processing with Scripter. On the channel strip, click a MIDI FX slot and load Scripter. Open the script editor so you can see the code window. Now in ChatGPT, request a clean, optimized JavaScript script for Logic Scripter that converts incoming notes into a humanized chord voicing with subtle, randomized velocity changes, and ask for neatly formatted code you can copy. Clear, specific prompts get you better, ready to paste results. Bring the code back into Logic. In the script editor, select and delete the default text, paste the new script, and click Run Script. Play a few single notes on your MIDI keyboard. You should hear real-time chord textures with natural feeling dynamics. If something sounds off, look for adjustable variables in the script and tweak them. Then run again. For arrangement planning, ask ChatGPT for a sophisticated chord progression for a dark electronic pop track in a minor using extended chords, formatted as a simple table with bar numbers and chord names. In Logic, reveal global tracks, enable the chord track, and use chord ID to drop those chords on your timeline. Your bass and synth session players will lock to the harmony, giving you instant theory sound scaffolding. Finally, prepare your mix with confidence. On your master output, open Mastering Assistant and let it analyze the stereo mix. Then ask ChatGPT for a categorized quality control checklist covering low-end build-up hotspots, stereo image boundaries, and target integrated LUFS for streaming. Use that checklist to confirm tonal balance, cohesion, and loudness alignment before your final bounce. Handing off scripting, arrangement mapping, and QC planning to ChatGPT frees you to focus on the creative moves that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.